Today's show was sponsored by Hoosier Hills Credit Union, located at 960 North Gospel Street in Paoli. To contact, please call 812-723-4700. Thank you.
Your PHS News Today for Tuesday, January 29th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email the answer to paoli.media@paoli.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Tuesday Shoes Day. We will show you a picture of shoes and you have to tell us whose shoes they are. Here are the shoes. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Boys 7th and 8th grade basketball defeated Mitchell last night. Tonight, JV and varsity boys basketball will be traveling to Du Bois starting at 6. We are having dress-up days this week in honor of girls sectional. Today is Work Out the Hornets in workout wear. Tomorrow is Dress as Your Favorite Athlete. Thursday is Hat Day, and Friday is All Out Purple and Gold. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through your day today, there's a slight chance of rain and snow later in your day, but the highest chance we could see is Wednesday night heading into Thursday as temperatures drop tomorrow and Thursday. For your weather today, we have a high of 24 and a low of 2. Heading into tomorrow is when the temperatures will start to drop. Wednesday, we'll have a high of 6 and a low of 0, but with the wind chills, it could feel into the negative teens and 20s. On Thursday, the temperatures will rise a little bit again with a high of 26 and a low of 23. Back to you.
Congratulations to Tucker Lewis for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Clay Mitten. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.